A big hello and welcome to all the Planner Mums, Glam Mums and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Villa Beautiful Magic Avenue February kit. Again, as always, 14 days I had the kit with me. Amazing shipping, amazing everything. So the kit, let's begin. So the kit comes with this beautiful gold bag. I'm showing it first thing because I love it. You can have your pen or anything also easily put in. I'll show you the pen once I show you. So it comes with this beautiful gold kind of a pen pouch, or you can put your makeup brushes, you can put some makeup. Very good quality pouch. It's a very good quality. So it comes with this. Then also it comes with this beautiful 3 sets of pockets. These are adhesive pockets where you can put stuff easily, papers and all, in your any of your planners that you have, you can put it. Yeah, so 3 sizes, and they're gold foiled. Excuse me for my voice, I have a little cold because of the packing and all. This is, I'm shooting back to back. Before this I've just done my crafts by Tavi. I received all my happy mail together, so mostly what I do is I shoot them all together. I don't like to combine my orders and post it because people just want to see one shop sometime, right? So I just post it that way, and then I upload it on weekly basis so people can always see it. And because I'm a full-time mom, I'm doing it when she sleeps, my toddler. All right, so this is the pen. I love all her pens. This is my first black pen from her. It has the moon and the, if you can see, it has these crystals and the moon and the stars. Yeah, beautiful pen. It really writes very, very well. Trust me on that. I've talked many times about it. I have like 3 kits, so this is my 3rd kit. All of this comes in this beautiful reusable bag. See, even the bag is like with the deco. It also comes with this, what do you call these, sticky notes, the round ones. These are all like blank ones. You can still definitely write with your pen that you have, but you just have to not like, wipe right now. Leave it for drying for a certain time with the gel pen. See how beautiful this pen writes, how beautiful it looks. Maybe if my husband wants this pen. The thing is, I give him some of my nice pens. I've never given him my Villa Beautiful, but other like my Simply Gilded and all, he lost it. He doesn't lose it, means he takes it and then he leaves it somewhere in the office. But this time he said, okay baby, I'll really take good care. Give me a nice black pen. So I might give him that one. Now these are some of the stabs, and these are the, what do you call these cards? So these blank cards that she said, these are these plastic cards, journaling cards, small size. This one is the, yeah, how do you do with this one? Sorry, it shows growing takes time, and it has a paper backing at the back, this beautiful girl. And these are all the, another one, you are magical. Okay, and transparent bar stickers, transparent shape stickers too. These are some icons. I've done many of her. If you follow me in my Instagram, My Life with Baby S, I've used her kits and her sticker book for making spread in both my B6 and my Erin Condren, the big vertical, the open shapes, and the word stickers came with. This is a custom that she always gives. These are these sticky notes with different colors. You can use it for different purposes, for marking something, different colors on your notebook or in your journal, or for just highlighting something, writing something. For example, I've written something on this. These are transparent ones and very good quality. I think I have many of this now. You can just highlight, put something on top. It's something like that. All right, so this is it. Maybe my subscription boxes, maybe in few months I might stop completely, because it's like there are good to have supplies, but now I have plenty. Now I just want to focus on my kits. It becomes easier as well. The next month I might get for both Simply Gilded, and not sure for Simply Gilded, but definitely Villa Beautiful. The next one is very beautiful. It's all flowers and I can't miss that one. This is Your Lovely. What I like about Villa Beautiful, it comes in 1 month's time in my room. This is something you can use it like this. I'll show you. Where did I put the washi? I'm looking for it. Yeah, I'll show you the washi as well, but this is just for example. You just put it in the, you put it on your notebook like this, and it dangles. It just dangles on your notebook, something like that. Yeah. So this is how you use these charm clips. Or even there is a way they have shown in their website. They have a lot of creators who make this, so they have shown very beautifully how they have made a like a frame in which you can put these clips like this, and these are very good quality one also. So this is a butterfly and you are lovely. And what I like about Villa Beautiful, another thing is that they give you lots of digitals. So every time you buy on a pre-order time, you get digitals. Every 20th you can pre-order the kits, and they ship for the next month, and next month around 22nd they will ship. So it's always like that, so you are always on time. And she does, like for example, Valentine was in February. January we had the kit already. I love that part about her. That's not that on February she's doing the February kit. She's done it in January, so all of us have are ready with Feb kit. So that's something amazing about Tiffany's shop as well. So I love this. Then this is the washi. Always comes with 2 washies. Yeah, these are the 2 beautiful washies. Simply Gilded is having a pre-sale today. Open. See, all the best to me for that. No spend goes to spend a lot. February 2021, and that's the Magical Avenue. You can see it's a gold foiled butterflies and the moon and the lightning and the stars. Let's see. Yeah, so these are the beautiful washi. Also it came with this beautiful keychain. Again, it's so useful. It's like this gunmetal color with the lightning and this pink one, and lovely. Mostly I have key cards here, so I don't have keys, but these are good for decos as well. Or you can even put it in this bag. In this bag you can just put it on the chain here like this and have it longer, but I'll use it for my office deco area. I'll use it for that. Right, so these are all the things, and also it comes with this card which shows all the items that you have, so you can check that you receive. And I always take the pack. Oh yeah, the album first. I'll show you the pack quickly. It always also comes with this beautiful pack. It's called the paper pack, where you get different shapes of vellums and all, and I like to keep it because you can make greeting cards from it. You can use it for any craft purposes, and it's only like $3-4 more from the kit, like $30, $34, like that. This is the double-sided big thicker material, which is very good for making greeting cards. These butterflies, again, totally into crafting, you know. And the quality of the material is very good as well. The star purple, I love these colors. I love this. I love Villa Beautiful, really. I might not buy pens separately. I'm happy with the pens that I get, but I can't give up on this kit because the variety of things that you get are simply amazing. And don't get me wrong, Simply Gilded is also amazing. Yeah, I love that as well. It only takes a little time to reach me in Qatar, like over a month. And that's the only thing that worries me for taking. And so many washes, and I think I don't have enough space now for putting those washes. Now this is the sticker album. So everything she gives is with this sticker album, Little Magic Avenue, and these are some full boxes. Beautiful again. Growing takes time. All these icons she provides, pay bill, these full boxes with the clip and everything as well. Beautiful gold foil, all these half boxes. Again, day of this week, personal, be you, do you, for you. And again, this is all of these beautiful. This is like, I think New York, no, Times Square or something, not I'm not sure. And these are butterflies. All of these are the check boxes. Again, here all the 2 week headers. And then again, I also wished she also adds the numbers, the date dots. That will be very helpful also if any of from Tiffany's team are watching, please add date dots also in our kits. It will be so useful. Then we are all set, you know. Thank you once again, all of you, for taking the time to watch my video. If you've stuck all the way till here, please consider subscribing. It takes only a few minutes for you guys and it means the world to me. Yeah, thank you.